In the next lesson of our course, we're going to start to talk about rules of trading and psychology of trading. Actually, Sam, come in for a minute. I don't even like to call it psychology. People who fail at trading say they failed because of psychology. These are just rules. They're very important rules and simple rules that we're going to follow that are going to put us on the path to becoming successful day traders. So the first thing that I want to talk about is that you must do your own work. You do your own research, take all the tools that we're giving you, and decide on which trades to make on your own. Don't listen to anybody else. I don't want you listening to Bob who tells you, hey, Jim, I just got a hot tip on Apple. This stock's going to go up $4 today. Trust me, 99% of the time, that is not going to happen. Again, you're going to have the tools to be able to do this on your own, so don't listen to anybody else when you're making your trading decisions. Another very, very important thing, and Sam, I want you to come in for this. Two things happen when you first start trading, and one is a little worse than the other. Either you're going to be afraid to ever push a button because you're going to be scared and you're going to be nervous, and trust me when I tell you, that's normal, and it's okay if you are that way at the beginning. It's fine. Or you're going to go the other way, and all you're going to do is push buttons. That is much, much worse. But when you learn all our technical analysis, and you have all these rules down pat, and an opportunity presents itself for you to make a trade, you must push that button. We are here to trade, we are here to make money, and we're not here to miss opportunities. And again, I know that's going to be difficult at the beginning because you're going to be scared. You're going to be scared to make a trade. But when these things line up, have the confidence in everything that we've taught you that these trades are going to be good and that they're going to work out okay. And again, the worst thing that could ever happen to us when we get into a trade, we're going to lose a little bit of money. So don't be afraid to push that button. It's very, very important. I would rather you push the button when things line up than sit there and be frozen up. Extremely, extremely important. Next thing I want to talk about, and this is also very important, don't believe in a company. Every stock that we trade is just a trading vehicle. That's all it is. There isn't any one company that's better than another company. People think that Apple is the greatest stock since sliced bread, or Google, or Amazon. These are just trading vehicles for us. That's all they are. We're going to look for the opportunities and the spots to buy and sell these stocks and make our trades. A big mistake that a lot of traders make, when earnings come out in a stock, they'll look at the earnings in a stock and they'll say, this is Apple. Those earnings were fantastic. This stock has to go up. No, could not be further from the truth. Just because a stock has good earnings doesn't mean that its stock is going up. So there's no such thing as one company being better than another company. All they are is trading vehicles. That is it. Let's sum up the three things that we talked about in this lesson. Number one, don't ever listen to anybody else when they're telling you to make a trade. We are giving you all the tools that you need to be able to make the trading decisions on your own. Have confidence that you've learned all of the right techniques, and never listen to a tip from anybody else. Trust me, 99.9% of tips that you get from other people are not going to work. Number two, when a trade lines up for us to do not hesitate. Push that button. What's going to happen to you sometimes is a stock is going to approach the level where we're going to buy it, and you're going to get nervous, and you're going to say to yourself, uh-oh, I might be getting into this trade here. Trust me, after a while, it's going to be the exact opposite. And you're going to be saying to yourself, I can't wait to get into this trade. I did my technical analysis. I know this trade is going to be profitable for me. So don't hesitate when these trades line up to do. And lastly, don't believe in a company. There is no such thing as one company being better than another company. All these things are for us are trading vehicles. We're going to find the right place to buy these stocks and short these stocks to make successful trades. Let's move on to our next lesson.